Welcome to another gouache tutorial for Thoovi's 100-day paint voyage. For today's theme, Primary Party, I will be using this 48 jelly gouache set from HIMI. Primary colors are a group of colors from which all other colors can be obtained by mixing. While red, blue and yellow are considered to be primary colors, white and black can be used to get different shades and tints of a particular color. Now let's have a few ideas on how we can mix the primary colors red, blue and yellow to get other colors. If we mix red and yellow in equal proportion, we get orange color. An equal amount of yellow and blue makes green color. And red and blue gives us violet color. If we mix two primary colors in equal proportion, we get the secondary color. And mixing one primary color with the secondary color beside it makes tertiary color. This way, we can get any desired color by mixing the primary colors in different proportions with each other. When we want to create different tints and shade of the colors we get by mixing the primary colors, we just need to add white or black accordingly. Now let's dive into this painting where we are going to make it using only the primary colors. that is our painting using only the primary colors with white and black. And I hope the tutorial was helpful. All the best for the contest and happy painting.